This is for you that want to lose some weight, or you want to maintain your current weight, just like me. I don't want to lose, I don't want to add. Continue watching this video because this is moringa powder. I will tell you how to make use of the leaf, the fresh leaf, if that is what you have. I will also tell you how to make use of the powdered one. There are some people that have the dried leaf. Continue watching this video. I will tell you how to make use of all of them to get perfect results. You can also add some ingredients which I will be telling you to get perfect results. Moringa helps to boost metabolism, suppressing appetite for those that always eat, like you cannot do without eating. This will make you stay full, reducing weight as you go. So for those that have the leaf, for 1 glass cup, just get a fresh leaf, wash it thoroughly, transfer it into your blender, add some water, about 1 glass of water. Then you blend it and blend it. Strain it out after blending. Transfer it into a glass. So if it's the powdered moringa you have, just add 1 teaspoon into your smoothie. You want to take your smoothie, your juice, or you want to take it with water, or you want to take it in your soup. Just have 1 teaspoon into that drink. Then you have to stir it and take. Enjoy it like that. With time, your weight will be reducing and reducing. There are lots of people that requires them to lose some weight before they can conceive. There are so many health conditions that requires you to lose some weight. So it's very important for you to stay in shape. This will help you. For those that have the dried moringa, this is how to make use of this. You have to wash it, rinse it to remove dust, of course. Then transfer it into your cooking pot or pan. Add some water, then you boil it. Boil it for about 10 to 15 minutes. You will notice a color change. Then you have to strain it out, transfer it into a glass cup. 1 glass is all you need. There are some ingredients you can combine with this to make it get perfect result, like you achieve better results. Ginger is one ingredient that works so well with this. So yeah, I have fresh ginger, even though mine is looking somehow. I've kept it for some time and it's not looking so, so fresh. So ginger suppresses appetite. It's a very good ingredient that contains antioxidant that you can add into this to get perfect result. So if it's the powder one you have, add half tablespoon into this drink for 1 glass. Then if it's the fresh one like this, blend it. Of course you have to peel it, then blend it, squeeze out the juice, 1 tablespoon of the juice into that drink, and you're all good. Then you also have to add honey. Honey is another ingredient that makes people to lose weight. Lots of people don't know this. It makes you lose weight. You stay in shape and look so sweet. Any of these ingredients is okay with moringa. So another one you can add is lemon juice. So get your lemon, cut it into halves, squeeze out about 1 tablespoon, add it into the 1 glass of moringa drink. Thank me later, preferably early morning before food, as you wake up from sleep, early morning to start your day with. This is going to make you eat less food all through the day, burning calories, and stay in shape. If you have finished taking it in the morning before your morning food, 30 minutes you can eat. Then before your afternoon food, you can decide to also take it before meal. Also at night, but at night you have to take it after meal before you go to bed. If you see your weight reducing, you'll be staying in shape and in a very natural way. So for best results, you can combine with a light exercise. You need to stay active, of course. Do not just take this drink and remain one place. You need to move around, do exercises, and also beware of what you eat. Do not eat late at night before you go to bed. Alright, so that is it. Make a drink that will make you lose weight in a very natural way. Moringa is very potent at making you to stay in shape. So remember to subscribe to this channel, like and share this video. Thank you so much. Until our next video.